Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And today I have kind of exciting video, at least for me. It's not a new concept, but I didn't do it on my face and I want to see what it will do on me. So today I will do a part of my face completely matte and another part of my face more dewy, glowy, and you know, the type of look that I normally go for. And you will decide which look suits me better. Yeah, I'm really surprised to compare, you know, really seeing the matte and the glowy side next to each other. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I think I will do this part matte and this part the more glowy side. So we will begin with the matte side. For the primer, I want to use the Porefessional from Benefit. It's not especially a matte primer, but I don't think that I have a matte primer. And for the more glowy part, I'm gonna use the Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. I'm sure that you were all like, she's gonna use her Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Primer. I thought about it, but I was like, okay, I have to change it up a little bit. And I used it in one of my last video, and I really like the effect. So as you can see, it is glowy, not as much as the Charlotte Tilbury one, but yeah. For foundation, I want to use something that I had in my drawers forever and that I didn't use for so long. It's the Fit Me Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless, normal to oily skin. I have the color, which is apparently ivory. It looks a little bit dark for me, but we will see. And I didn't use this one forever. Not especially that is a bad foundation, but it's just that at the moment, like I said before, I'm really searching for hydration, moisture, glowy, luminous finish, dewy, you know, all that kind of stuff. So that's why I didn't use it for a while. I think I bought this one because of Nikki tutorials, I think. She mentioned a foundation from Maybelline, but we didn't have it in France, and it was the one that it was kind of similar to the one she was talking about. So yeah. If you want to see product that I bought because of other beauty YouTuber, you can check this video right here and see how much of a sheep I am. Okay, so actually the shade is not bad at all. I don't know why, but in the bottle it seems dark. I don't know. Can you already tell a difference between the two sides? The foundation on, no foundation, only the primer. It's a pretty matte. For the other side, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. It has a SPF and it is also in the color Ivory. I picked this one because of the name, you know, satin. For concealer, first on the brighter side, I'm gonna use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. And still on the glowier side, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind in the color Ivory as well. And you can see that it is really much loved. And I will have to buy one again. It's really a product that I want to yeah, buy again. We can really see a difference, I think, between the two eyes. And for the matte side, I'm gonna use the MUA Makeup Academy Full Coverage Concealer. It doesn't claim especially to be matte, but the foundation that it is in the same like collection from their brand, it is matte. So I'm like, it's working. If you want to see those products on action, I bought practically entire face of MUA Makeup Academy. It's really affordable, and you have the video right here. Yeah, it is a more matte finish, plus with the brightening that we used under the concealer, it really makes a difference, I think. I'm gonna powder on the matte side with the MUA Makeup Academy Skin Define Matte Perfect Loose Powder, Shine Control, Talc Free with vitamin A, E and jojoba. On the glowier side, I want to use the Glow Mon Amour highlighting drops. And I have the color Sparking Love. And to set under the eyes, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lightening Ghost Palette using this shade. It's a powder but with a satin finish. I am lightly gonna powder this part of the face with all the colors. I mean, not all of them, the three right here. But just a little bit because I don't want to get the shine away. But it's really a fine powder with a satin effect, so it's not gonna matte the face. For the matte side, I'm gonna use the Cheek Glitters Bronze Squad palette from Benefit, and I'm gonna use the Hoola, the original one. You know what, I forgot that I have this one as well, the Too Faced GU Translucent Radiant Nude powder. So I'm gonna put it a little bit on the glowier side. I don't usually use that much product when I want to go for a glowy skin, but I really want to push the boundaries to really see a difference between the two sides. That's why I'm using more product to have the effect that I want. And for bronzer, I will use the Sweetie Pie from Too Faced. And still in the idea to add more contrast, I'm gonna use the palette Zoeva Nude Spectrum. I'm gonna use this color, but lightly because it is kind of dark for me, but it has like a little bit of gold reflect. So, say lightly. I thought I was recording, but actually I was not. So I was putting the blush on the matte side. It's the Zoeva Blush Luxe Color Blush. He Loves Me Maybe. And for the glowy side, I have more than one choice in my collection. I have, obviously, you know that I love them, the Amour Cosmetic blushes that are shimmery. And I was considering as well the After Sex Glow from Wet n Wild. This one, the blush side, which is really glowy as well. And I think I'm maybe gonna do a little mixture of both. I'm gonna use Paraíso, the pink color. And I will add a little touch of the pink side that has gold reflect. As I said, I don't usually use that much product to have a glowy skin, but I just wanted to have fun, you know. Who cares? I'm not moving from the house, so. And for highlight, I'm gonna use the Cookie from this palette from Benefit. because it's been a while I didn't use it, and it's a really beautiful and intense highlight. I mean, look at that. I'm like popping on this side. And this side, I was wondering, do I use the Emax Radiant Illumination Highlighting Kit? Because if you watched the video where I talk about this brand, I used this highlighter and it was like so soft, natural, really not glowing. So do I stay completely matte, or do I put like trying to put something a little bit glowy, because it doesn't even look, you know, glowy. So maybe I will try to put a little bit to add some, not especially a glow, but to brighten this area. See, it had a little bit. Okay, I will stop there. On this side, I want to put the Mercier Rose Gold Skin Mist. And on the other side, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I did the eyebrows, I put the Plouise base on, and I want to use today the Urban Decay Naked Petite palette. It's a really palette that I enjoy, and I will do the same makeup eye on both sides, but I will add shimmer on the glowy side. So nothing fancy today, you know, I'm just gonna do a little makeup and fast forward. On this side, I didn't do the false liner that I did on the other eyes, on the other eye using this color. I will use now the Beauty Bay Rutile Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow. I forgot that it dries quickly, so to blend it's not that easy, but under the brow in the inner corner I'm gonna use this color from the After Sex Glow. So I did the same under the eyes, and I add a little bit of this Clarins waterproof eyeshadow shimmering cream color above the Beauty Bay Liquid Crystal. It is the color Golden Peach, because I had the impression that it is less patchy than it was before. Okay, on the waterline on this side, I'm gonna use the Master Drama The Nudes from Maybelline, which is a champagne rosy color, but chrome. And on the other side, I will use the nude eyeliner from Geek, which is more a matte cream. And I will put the mascara Go Big or Go Home for vivd. I will put some eyelashes if I succeed. And I'll be right back. Okay, I think I succeeded. Good. I used the lashes from the brand Emax Design that I bought on Amazon, and it is saying fashion lashes. Okay, lightweight and comfortable. It is true, they're very lightweight. Okay, so it looks like that. And as you can see, I have a lot of them. So for lips, I'm gonna use the same lipstick, but on the glossy side, I'm gonna use a gloss. So I will use the Vivd Matte Liquid from Maybelline. and the color is Orange Shot number 25. Okay, so it's taking forever to dry. I don't know why. So on the matte side, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild in the color Coral-ine. This one. I have the impression that it helps a little bit. And on the glowy side, I'm gonna use on top the Art Deco Glamour Gloss in the color. I have no idea. In this color. I used, as before, the Forcefully on this side, the Makeup Forever on this side. And I think that we have our finished look. So now you can see the difference between the two sides. So tell me, which side do you like the best? I don't think I could tell. I mean, I think I will like this side better, but I did put a lot of stuff just, you know, to stereotype a little bit the glow on this side to be sure that there is a difference between the two. So normally it will not be, I mean, I don't know, maybe. With me, you never know. I like the glow so much. It doesn't have anything to do with the glow or the matte, but I used, you know, this one, the Vivid Matte Liquid for Maybelline, and I love the color, but I don't like the lipstick because I have it on my teeth, on my tongue. It doesn't dry, so as much as I love the color, if you're going on a date or something, don't use this one, otherwise you're gonna, you know, you're gonna have color all over your mouth, I mean in your mouth. But yeah, so this is the result. Tell me down below which side you would go for. The matte side is pretty as well. It's just not what I'm used to at the moment because I used so much glow. But it is pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Like the video if you liked it, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye bye.